million. That's how much revenue has been generated by my successful book launch strategy, which I outlined in this free 18-page PDF. Now, in it, I walk you step by step exactly how you can write and launch a #1 best-selling book to skyrocket your level of impact and income, and to bring you a non-stop parade of people into your circle of influence. Now, whether you're a speaker, course creator, coach, consultant, pastor, counselor, or other professional, this guide right here shows you how to quickly get your book into the hands of thousands, even tens of thousands of people. Now, this is the same strategy I've used in my own writing career to sell more than 1.5 million books worldwide. And of course, those books led to a lot of other things like online courses that have enrolled more than 20,000 people, and speaking engagements in more than 40 nations on 6 continents. And this successful book launch strategy, this one right here, it's helped my clients consistently achieve Amazon #1 bestseller rank. If you want access to this goodness, this entire 18-page PDF, completely free, click the link below this screen and you can download the PDF today and get instant access to my $20 million successful book launch strategy. I held nothing back. It's all right here. So click the link and get your PDF